Hello, my name is Araya Perez, and I would love to explain the concept of one- and two-dimensional motion. First, let's start off with some visual examples. So, I'm going to start by doing my coordinate axis. This is really important. So, if I were moving left and right, just an example. So, if I went from here to here, turned around and went back, right, left and right, I am moving in the x direction. This is one-dimensional motion because I am staying this way. I'm not floating. You're just not floating. And then just moving back and forth. That's one-dimensional motion. Two-dimensional motion, change it now, and I changed my motion, and I jumped, right? So, if I jumped up and down, now what I'm doing is I am changing my direction in the y direction, right? I'm jumping this way. That's another one-dimensional motion in a different component. But what I'm going to show you now is two-dimensional motion. So this is really great because this is pretty much where a lot of our physics lies, two-dimensional motion. Everything can be brought back to one dimension, one direction, one type of movement, but realistically we always have two, usually. So if I jumped up and down and I moved left and right, that's two-dimensional motion. So how can I relate this to MROD? Well, this is a really great example. We can talk about how MROD moves from left to right, forward, backwards. That's really great things car can do, right? She's driving forward, she can drive backward, she can turn, all these great things, right? But then if we add things, right? But then if we added another dimension, say she goes up an incline, right? There's some kind of angle that she goes up here. Now what we have is two components. You can see she's moving up the incline, she's changing y, and she's moving across in her x. So this is an example of two-dimensional motion because she's moving in both directions.